Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to reset all default apps on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we are going to start off by right-clicking on the Start button, and then you're going to select where it says Settings. So go ahead and open that up. You want to now go ahead and select where it says Apps on the left side, and then select Default Apps over here on the right. Scroll down near the bottom of the list, all the way at the bottom actually, and select where it says Reset All Default Apps. Go ahead and select Reset. All the changes you've made will be reset to Microsoft's recommended app defaults. Go ahead and select OK. And there you go, you have a check mark there, and you should be good to go. So pretty straightforward process there, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.